Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to the last unit and the last couple of weeks of the semester. Congratulations, you've made it this far, which this semester feels like quite the feat, right? I wanted to add this page of sample analysis from the poetry unit because it looks like overall we are doing an awesome job identifying concepts. So we're really good at pointing out verbal patterns or syntactical patterns or alliteration or rhyme scheme. We're really good at seeing those things in the poem. But the next step is to actually analyze those elements and to explain the significance of those elements. And that's where, as a class, we're struggling a little bit. So what I mean by that is it's not enough to just say this poem uses alliteration. The next step is explaining why the author, or the poet uses alliteration. Like, what is the impact of that alliterative phrase? How does that create meaning? What is that meaning? Why is that significant to the overall message of the poem? Okay, that's where we move into analysis. Okay, so it's not so much just, this poem has a simile or this poem has a verbal pattern. It needs to be this poem has a verbal pattern and that helps create meaning. And that meaning is, and that pattern creates that meaning because. Okay, so it's really two parts here. We've got part one down, and then the next step is just really to focus on that analysis. So when you go to write your essay, what you'll be doing is you'll be identifying meaning in your whatever poems or poet you look to explore, and then you will tell me how that meaning is created. And the way that you'll do that is through identifying these elements. These elements help create that meaning. Okay. And so it's important that when you highlight an element, you explain how you analyze it in a way that explains how that element then creates meaning. Okay, so take a look at the page here. Email me if you have additional questions. All right, have a good one.